Hello and welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have my February month in review, and I like to have a month in review every month, and I've only started doing this since late last year, so I've been enjoying it so far. And sometimes I'll have completions and sometimes I will just have excessive WIPs. And today I have 2 work in processes and then I have 1 finished. And I would have had a 3rd WIP, but that is my Diana from Diamond Painting Deutschland, and I am so close to finishing that one that I want the reveal to be a surprise, and so I'm not going to show that today, but I'm going to show that sometime next week whenever I do have that finished, and then I will also start to kit down all of those drills, and that's 250 drills. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have that in more than one part or just do some of it. Let me know what you would like in the bottom of the description below in the comments, and then I can decide on what I am finally going to do with that. But I can't believe that it is already March. It is just so hard to believe this year is going by so fast. And I do feel like I'm on a good trajectory to have my goals completed. So this was Puffy Gator and this was Lion Cub, and I did not kit this up or anything on my channel. I just wanted something that was going to be quick, that was very colorful, and this one was it. I have never done one by Puffy Gator before, and so I wanted to see how I liked the rendering because I would like to buy a couple more. And this one did have 45 colors. I will do the full review next week on my channel. But I really like how pretty and pink that it is. My craft room is pink, so this one more than likely is going to go up on my wall. It was very fast, especially the background, so at least I did get something completed. This is number 5 for the year, and I want to get at least 25 completed. I did complete 2 small coasters from a set. I am going to count that as a completion. So that will be number 6 for the year, and it'll be 2 for the month. I don't have those with me because we are putting those in a gift box to give to a student teacher that my daughter has gotten to be friends with at school. So that is going to go to her. But I thought that was really fun too. And I do have a video on that one that just came out. So I will go ahead and put that one at the top of the eye on the right hand side if you'd like to look at that. The next 2 are my work in progress that I did in February. This one is Lady Dragon and the artist is Karen Yumi Lusted. And this is from Lazy River. This was a sneak peek that Steph sent to me, and I love it so far. It is very watercolory, if that's a word. But look at this bottom. It is just gorgeous. I worked on this some during my last WIP and chat on Tuesday, and I just love these colors. It is a lot of confetti, which means it is a lot of color changing, but I am okay with that because it is turning out so pretty. I am going to continue working on this one. I will post progress photos underneath my Instagram feed as well as on my Facebook each time that I finish a row. So I haven't started. I've got this first row done, so I need to post this, and then I will start on this row next and just work my way up. But this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. The next one is this one that I've kind of talked about a little bit on my channel. This one I've been working on since the middle of January, and this is Alice in the White Rabbit House. I am almost halfway with this. As soon as I finish the row that I'm on, I will be halfway. The green took me forever to do on the bottom. I did have some drills that they weren't really popping, but they were popping, but it wasn't because of the glue. It's because that these squares are so tight in here that when I put some in, if I'm not just super careful, then the ones around them are going to pop. I'm even using a roller, and I roll this and you can still hear them as they're crunching down into the canvas, but it's still taking a long time because of that. This is an older kit. For me, this is older drills. So I hope that my others that are the older square drills, I don't have problems with it, because I do have several of those still in my stash. I want to work on my stash quite a bit this year, and this was one of them. I don't think I am going to continue working on this one in March, because I do want to work on my kit that I have for Mermaids and Magic, and that one is Rochelle. I've also shown that on my channel, and I will put that up at the top as well. That one I want to finish. Once I get that one finished, I'm going to go back and work on Lady Dragon. I really want to get as much of that one done as I possibly can. I might be able to finish her in March, so we'll see. And then I may work on this just a little bit, but more than likely not, because I've got to start getting ready for our event, which is a Josephine Wall event that's going to start April 1st. And so I want to get as much as I can done before then, because once April 1st hits, from April and to the end of May, I'll be working on my Diamond Painting Deutschland, a new kit. So I finished one kit. It's taken me a long time to get that one finished. And as soon as I finish that one, I jump right into another one. So I guess that's the way to do it. But I am really enjoying that. And I am hoping to get back to this one soon, but soon, relatively speaking. I only purchased 3 kits in February, which that's good for me. 2 of the kits that I purchased were from Craftably. I didn't have any plans on purchasing from Craftably in February, but they had the Make It or Break It sale. And so I did go ahead and purchase 2 of those. They were at a really good discounted price. Wanted to help Craftably. Those had been on my wish list for a long time. So I went ahead, I did get those. And then I did pick up The Librarian from Diamond Art Club by Cheryl Baker, and I just love her artwork. And I saw that one and I thought, it's not limited edition. I could wait, I could get it later, but I didn't want it to run out of stock and then it would take a long time possibly to come in. So I do have that one, and I'm going to show that one on my channel. I'm not sure when. It is going to be by itself. It's not going to be as part of my stash from Diamond Art Club. The newer ones, I'm just going to go ahead and unbox those separately. I hope that you enjoyed this month in review, and I am looking forward to seeing what I'm going to accomplish in March. Let me know in the comments what you've accomplished in February and what you plan to work on in March. Thanks so much again, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.